Hey there, I am Tony. Welcome to the complete Google Ads course from Zero to Pro. In this course, we'll set up, launch and analyze a full Google Ads campaign for this website. You'll also learn the exact 10% of actions that generate 90% of your results in Google Ads. This is the introductory lesson. Each new lesson will be added to the playlist on the YouTube channel. So make sure to subscribe and not miss anything. Let's quickly go through the course program. First, we'll create a Google account that we'll use for running ads. Then we'll move on to creating a Google Ads account. After that, we'll prepare a list of keywords. We'll group them properly and build a list of negative keywords. Next, we'll create a Google spreadsheet to make working with ads much easier. We'll fill in the headlines for our Google Ads campaigns and then write the ad texts. Once that's done, we'll download Google Ads Editor to speed up the workflow and connect it to our account. From there, we'll set up our campaigns professionally. In a separate lesson, we'll add extensions, and after that, we'll push the campaigns to Google. Then we'll configure geo-targeting, set ad schedules, and talk about when scheduling actually makes sense, and adjust bids based on what we need, not on what Google suggests. Afterward, we'll move on to Google Tag Manager. We'll configure variables and triggers, set up conversion tracking, prepare remarketing audiences, and finally, launch our campaigns. Once the campaigns are live, we'll look at keyword match types, review the actual search terms that triggered our ads, perform cross-negative matching, and run a full analysis of everything we launched. Next, we'll prepare display campaigns for remarketing and set up display campaigns based on user interests. Later, we'll break down UTM parameters and discuss when each bidding strategy makes sense. I hope you find this course program useful. If you do, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Think bigger and make money.